A study table is one that is designed and built keeping students in mind. Since it is built with the purpose of studying kept in mind, it is used to store books and access them easily, organize study materials efficiently, and make the entire learning experience more enjoyable. Understand and digitize school operations with Teachment and its features like the homework app for efficient school management. Combined with a dedicated study room, a study table is quite useful for students because of the following reasons. Encourages discipline. Anything that promotes a student's ease and interest in learning must be encouraged to the fullest extent. Study tables help students organize their books and other study materials in an organized manner because they will have several compartments and drawers for the same, which in turn promotes a sense of discipline and organization. Read the evaluation methodologies and outcomes. Also, read everything about the teacher's eligibility test. Better surface for writing. A study table is generally made of polished wood or plywood, giving a polished surface for writing on. This makes sure that the student is uninterrupted by any irregularities on the surface of their workspace and not distracted by them. Comfort. One of the most important factors of undivided attention for studying and learning retention is comfort. Since study tables are created specifically for studying, the seating position, height, and everything else will be designed to cater to the comfort of the student. Promotes cleanliness. Along with promoting discipline, a study table can promote cleanliness by making sure that there are compartments for everything and everything extra can be either thrown away or kept someplace else. The study table serves as a sanctuary, offering a structured setting that minimizes interruptions and cultivates concentration. Unlike the computer office table, the study table becomes a central hub where learning materials are systematically arranged, contributing to streamlined workflows and enhanced productivity. Importance of finding a study table that strikes a balance. A study table is more than just a piece of furniture. It is a central workspace where students and professionals spend hours immersed in their tasks. Therefore, finding the right study table is essential for creating an environment conducive to learning and work. Here are some reasons why a balance of style, functionality, and comfort matters when selecting a study table. 1. Aesthetics and decor. A study table that complements your study area's existing decor and aesthetic creates a harmonious and visually appealing environment. The right style and design can inspire creativity, promote focus, and contribute to a positive ambience. A study table is one that is designed and built keeping students in mind. Since it is built with the purpose of studying kept in mind, it is used to store books and access them easily, organize study materials efficiently, and make the entire learning experience more enjoyable. Understand and digitize school operations.